AI is taking over the world, and the smartest entrepreneurs are using it to make money on autopilot. Learn how to build an AI-powered income stream from scratch with zero coding skills. AI is creating massive opportunities. AI writing novels, composing music, generating art. It's not just replacing jobs, it's creating new ones. Hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. Ready to dive into AI-powered businesses? Where do you start? Here are the top 3 AI business models. First, AI content automation. Websites, blogs, social media need content. Second, AI-driven services. Sell AI-generated voiceovers or art. Third, AI-powered SaaS. AI can write articles, blog posts, social media captions, even entire video scripts in a fraction of the time. High-quality, engaging content with just a few clicks. Is this content actually any good? Yes. AI tools are so sophisticated, they produce content indistinguishable from human-written text. Much of the content online is AI-generated. The best part? AI runs on autopilot, creating content 24/7. More traffic, leads, and money in your pocket. Top AI tools: ChatGPT, Pictory in Video, Midjourney, Canva, Runway ML, and Resemble AI. Automation lets you make money while you sleep. To build a successful AI-powered income stream, traffic is crucial. More traffic equals more money. Start with a blog using AI tools like WordPress and Jasper AI for engaging posts, or launch an automated YouTube channel with AI scripts and voiceovers. Build a high-converting Instagram or TikTok account using AI video tools. Leverage AI to streamline content creation and attract traffic. More traffic means more revenue. Start exploring these platforms today. If you're looking to monetize your AI-powered ventures, there are several lucrative methods to consider. One popular method is affiliate marketing, where you can earn commissions by promoting AI tools. Another option is selling digital products, such as AI-generated courses and templates. YouTube automation is also a great way to earn ad revenue from AI-generated videos. Additionally, you can resell AI services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Let's look at a case study. How a faceless AI channel made $10,000 in just 6 months. By leveraging AI tools and optimizing for SEO, this channel saw rapid growth and substantial earnings. The key is to identify the right niche and consistently produce high-quality content. With the right approach, you can turn your AI-powered projects into profitable income streams. Alright, so you've chosen your AI-powered business model. Now let AI handle 90% of the work. Outsource tasks to AI tools and freelancers. Boost content with AI scheduling. Run low-cost ads for digital products. Sell your AI business on Flippa. Scale to $10K, $50K per month with AI. ChatGPT is a powerful language model that generates human-quality text for various prompts and questions. Think of it as your personal AI writing assistant, crafting blog posts, social media captions, and emails. ChatGPT adapts to different writing styles and tones. Need a conversational blog post? ChatGPT can do that. How about persuasive sales copy? ChatGPT's got you covered. And it's incredibly easy to use. Type your prompt, and ChatGPT generates text in seconds. It's like having a team of writers at your fingertips 24/7. Now let's talk video. Video content is dominating online, but traditional editing is time-consuming and expensive. AI tools like Pictory and InVideo simplify the process, creating professional videos in minutes, even with no experience. Pictory turns scripts into videos, adding visuals and music automatically. InVideo offers traditional editing with AI features, making it faster and easier. Add text, transitions, and effects effortlessly. Both tools are perfect for beginners. Let's talk visuals. Eye-catching visuals are essential for social media, websites, and marketing. Hiring a graphic designer can be expensive. AI tools like Midjourney and Canva help. Midjourney creates stunning images from text. Just type your description. Canva offers versatile templates and design elements. With AI features like background removal, you can create professional designs quickly. You've chosen your AI business model and have your tools ready. Now build your online presence. Launch a blog on a budget. No tech genius needed. Get a domain name, your online address. Choose a hosting provider. No need to spend a fortune. Use WordPress or Wix. Create AI-generated content. Consistency is key. Not into blogging? No problem. YouTube is a powerful platform for an AI-powered income stream. It's easier than you think. You don't even need to show your face. AI tools create engaging videos without fancy equipment or skills. Tools like Pictory or InVideo generate high-quality videos from text prompts. Create videos on anything you're passionate about. Educational content or how-to videos are great options. The possibilities are endless. These videos can generate passive income for months or years. That's the power of evergreen content. Start brainstorming and build your AI-powered YouTube empire. Let's talk about social media, specifically Instagram and TikTok. These platforms are gold mines for entrepreneurs and content creators. Leverage AI to automate and streamline your content strategy. Use AI to generate visuals, write captions, and schedule posts. Spend less time on tedious tasks and more on growing your audience. Create hyper-targeted content that resonates with your followers. TikTok is all about virality and reach. Use AI to generate trending video ideas and write viral captions. Consistency and engagement are key to growth. You've got your AI-powered website running. Fantastic. But now, the million-dollar question is, how do you actually start making money from it? One powerful way is through affiliate marketing. Think of it like being a tech-savvy matchmaker. Recommend products you believe in to your audience, and earn a commission when they purchase through your link. It's incredibly passive. Create content, place your links, and earn money around the clock. It costs nothing to start. Choose products that align with your niche and provide real value to your audience. Create informative reviews, tutorials, or comparisons that highlight benefits. Show how it solves problems. Build trust and drive affiliate sales. Now let's talk about another lucrative avenue: selling digital products. Imagine creating an ebook, online course, or templates once and selling them repeatedly. That's the power of digital products. AI can be your secret weapon in creating high-quality digital products at scale. Use AI tools like Jasper for writing and Canva for stunning visuals. Solve your audience's problems with digital products. Once created, sell your product on your website or platforms like Gumroad, Podia, or Etsy. Let's dive into powerful monetization methods. YouTube automation and AI service reselling. YouTube automation creates engaging content that runs itself. Use AI tools for scripts, visuals, and voiceovers. Find a profitable evergreen niche. Think finance, technology, health, or personal development. These niches have massive audiences. AI service reselling connects businesses with AI services. Leverage AI tools for content, social media, and support. Alright guys, let's talk big money moves. Dive into automation and catapult your AI-powered business to the next level. Remember, the goal here is to work smarter, not harder. None of us want to be glued to our screens 24/7. That's where automation comes in. Automate tasks to focus on strategy, innovation, and making more money. Start by identifying repetitive, time-consuming tasks. Think about social media scheduling, email marketing, and customer support. Use AI tools to handle these tasks efficiently. For example, use Buffer or Hootsuite to schedule your content. Some tasks are best left to human experts. That's where outsourcing comes in. Build your dream team with AI and freelancers. Outsource strategically. Don't just throw money at tasks. Focus on tasks outside your expertise. Hire freelancers for specialized tasks. Outsource customer support. Your time is valuable. Free up time to grow your business. Use platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Guru. Communicate expectations clearly. Here's where things get exciting. Scale your AI business to generate life-changing income. Increase content output and leverage paid advertising. Platforms like Facebook ads, Google ads, and YouTube ads. And there you have it, a complete blueprint for building a profitable AI-powered income stream. We've covered choosing the perfect AI business model and automating your workflow. Remember, AI is evolving, so stay curious and keep learning. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI tips. Comment below which AI business model excites you the most. Stay tuned for more guides on building your AI-powered empire.